Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the image and gathering assets so edits are predictable. Open the file in your chosen editor and inspect resolution and color mode. This prevents size or color shifts later. Once done, unlock or duplicate the background layer to preserve the original, then create a text layer immediately so placement is reversible. Make sure to load or match fonts now, because swapping later can break layout. You want positioning and kerning controlled before you proceed. You now replace or add text while matching visual style so changes look seamless. Select the text tool and type on its own layer, then sample color with the eyedropper and set size and spacing to match. If text sits over texture, clear the area with content-aware fill or clone stamping first so the new text reads cleanly. Once positioned, rasterize only if you need advanced effects, but keep the editable copy for last-minute edits and export flexibility. You finish by refining appearance and exporting with proper settings so the result holds up across uses. Add subtle effects like shadow or stroke to integrate text into the scene, then save a layered master and export web or print formats at target resolution. Make sure color profiles are embedded for consistency. If edges look jagged or blurry, check anti-aliasing, interpolation, and export DPI. Adjusting those usually fixes artifacts. Finally, review on the intended device to confirm everything.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.